Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G for Boost Mobile. So finally Boost Mobile got the Galaxy A54 5G, so it is about damn time. So very awesome news right there. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to one of my subscribers. So shout out to DJ Mars 1983. He let me know about the Galaxy A54 finally on Boost Mobile. So thank you, bro, for that tip. So let's get into the video here. So the Galaxy A54 5G is now here at Boost Mobile. Finally, about damn time. Y'all guys can get it now for $199.99 currently on sale. So if you guys can get this phone for $200, that's a steal. The full retail price is $449.99 for retail price. So if you guys are looking to get like a budget mid-range 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A54 is worth checking out. Y'all guys will have 128 gigabytes of storage, and the color option y'all have here is an awesome graphite color. So there is the phone right there, very nice looking phone, front and back, very nice looking phone. So yeah, y'all guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The back of the phone here will have your triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo there on the rear. Right side power button, volume keys, and you do have a camera bump there on the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back there. There's the back there. Your micro SD and SIM card slot is either on the left side or bottom. I think it's on the left side. I think it is on the left side. So yeah, there's the left side again, right side. There's the front of it right there, back, front and back once again. So yeah. So the Galaxy A54 has 21 hours of video time, 50 megapixel main camera, 6.4 inch display, Android 13 with One UI 5.1. It says here, introducing Galaxy A54 5G. Whether you are capturing videos while out with friends or reading online, Galaxy A54 5G helps you experience the most in life, complete with a refined design, 5G performance, and pro-grade camera. Our best Galaxy A series phone makes enjoying your favorite movies and taking incredible pictures a breeze. Jump in and out of activities with a phone that is water and dust resistant, and confidently go throughout your day knowing your data is secured by Samsung Knox. Packed with awesome features, Galaxy A54 5G makes living your best life easier than ever before. So that is awesome. Features, so it says awesome 5G. They had this with the Galaxy A53 as well, which Boost also offers as well. So yeah, two very nice phones there. So the Galaxy A54 obviously is the newer model for 2023. So yeah, it says awesome 5G. So there's a closer look at the cameras there. Very nice camera setup there. So yeah, very nice phone. Top 4 features interesting here. It says here, awesome design, sleek frame and clean camera layout, awesome video, stable video with video OIS. It's either VOIS or VDIS, and auto framing, awesome night photography, wide OIS and advanced image sensor, awesome screen, bright 6.4 inch display, inspired simplicity with a premium front and back, glass finish, and clean camera layout. Galaxy A54 5G has a beautiful design on a seamless frame. So y'all guys do have a glass front and back. So get I suggest you guys get a case for this phone, because y'all guys will need it. Capture your awesome moments with a multi-lens camera. So going in order here, on the front, y'all guys will have a 32 megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.2 aperture. Now onto the rear, now from top to bottom, y'all will have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, f2.2 aperture, 50 megapixel main camera, f1.8 aperture, OIS, 5 megapixel macro camera lens, f2.4 aperture. So, very nice there. Film beautiful videos with ease with VDIS and a wider OIS angle. Galaxy A54 5G helps you film high quality videos with ease through automatic reframing and autofocus. So, very nice there. Awesome camera. Relive vibrant nights with night photography. Capture the night like never before. Galaxy A54 5G helps you take vivid photos even when it's dark with an advanced image sensor. So, very cool there. Time for a photo shoot. Scale up your selfies with the 32 megapixel front camera. Love taking high resolution shots with vibrant colors and clear focus. Turn great to awesome. Perfect your shots with photo remaster. Reduce blur and noise while increasing the resolution of your photos with an intuitive AI powered tool. Just keep what you like. No need to wait for the perfect moment. Take the photo and edit out unwanted objects, shadows, reflections, and more with object eraser. So that is a very powerful tool. So use that if you guys ever need it. Bright and clear, even in sunlight. Love what you see. The 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity Air display offers a vibrant view of awesome outdoor visibility and silky smooth screen time with a 120Hz refresh rate. So that is a win. Performance. 5G will take you further. Do what you love most, playing games, watching movies, or posting photos at the speed of life with Galaxy A54 5G. Impressive speed, powerful processor. The powerful octa-core processor opened up a new range of possibilities and heightened performance and capacity. So that's a win right there. So awesome. It says hold on to your memories. With 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes of internal storage, plus support for a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte, you have got room for all your precious moments. Boost Mobile offers the 128 gigabyte version that is being listed here on Boost Mobile, so do keep that in mind. Charge up and charge on. With a 5,000 mAh battery, Galaxy A54 5G lets you power on without worry. So it has a big battery, it has fast charging, so that's a win. I don't know if it has wireless charging or not. I don't know. I doubt it, but who knows. Awesome usability. Really feel it with haptic feedback. The enhanced haptics on Galaxy A54 5G upgrades your experience with vibrations that tell a story. Built for the rough and tough. Get ready for the frontier with Galaxy A54 5G with an IP67 water and dust resistant rating. You can stay in the clear with durability for both shadow waters and dusty roads. So that's nice. Amplified and enriched sound. Enriched with Dolby Atmos, the stereo speakers on Galaxy A54 5G encompass you with a full enriched audio experience. You are taken care of from here. Your device is your partner, insured with 4 generations of OS updates and a 5-year security maintenance. Your device experience with Galaxy A54 5G just gets better in time. So y'all guys get 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates, which is a fucking win. I wish every phone manufacturer would do this. because it makes sense. Because people be keeping their phones for a few years, so why not support it for a few years? That doesn't hurt, right? So y'all guys get Android 13 on board. So y'all guys will get up to Android 17, I believe. So that's a win. So let's keep going. Samsung Galaxy Experience Smart Switch. Start right where you left off on your new Samsung Galaxy device with a simple transfer. Quick share. Sharing your files, photos, and documents is quick and protected. Connected experience. Boost your productivity and creativity across connected Samsung Galaxy devices like the Galaxy Tab or the Galaxy Book on Windows laptop. So y'all guys can do that and all that good stuff, and of course the Galaxy Watches and stuff like that. So any Samsung Galaxy device, y'all guys can have it streamlined with your phone and stuff like that. Like I said, the Galaxy Watch, the Galaxy Tab, the Galaxy Book, which is a Windows laptop from Samsung. So yeah. One UI. Give your Samsung Galaxy devices a look that's more you and make it function your way with One UI. Privacy and security. Keep your data secure with Samsung Knox. Secure folder creates further protection with an within an encrypted space inside your device. Samsung members get tips and tricks to unlock your device's full potential. Specs: display 6.4 inches Full HD plus Samsung Super AMOLED Infinity O 1080 by 2340 120Hz refresh rate, which is nice. 5,000 mAh battery, 25 watt super fast charging. I don't think it has wireless charging. I don't think it has it because it's not listed here. Also, 25 watt fast charging is very nice. Processor is an Exynos 1380 octa-core chipset, 2.4 GHz, Android 13 with One UI 5.1. The Galaxy A54 5G weighs 7.12 ounces. Cameras: 50 megapixel main camera with AYS, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera lenses on the back with flash. Memory: 128 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and you do have a memory card slot. So take advantage of that. Also, connectivity: y'all will have Wi-Fi 6, 8 to 11, ABGN, ACAX. There's your dimensions right there, and I just mentioned the expandable storage, so take advantage of that. What was included in the Galaxy A54 5G is your data cable, your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G smartphone, and your some ejection pin. You guys will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one, which is probably a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, which you guys will probably need a Type-C charging brick. So, yeah, you send stuff in the box there. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is finally here at Boost Mobile. About damn time. So, that's a win. It is now available for $199.99 on sale. If you guys can get this phone for $200, that's a steal because this phone has great specs for what it is. I mean, for $200, you can't not go wrong with this phone. It's definitely worth the $200. But if you guys have to pay the full retail price of $449.99, that's definitely worth it too. So either way you go, it's definitely worth it. Very nice looking phone, great specs, great features, a great 5G smartphone on the cheap. So yeah, do you guys have it? Samsung Galaxy A54 5G now finally here at Boost Mobile. About damn time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.